Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to change the front wiper blades on your 2015 Wrangler. First thing I usually like to do if I haven't gone to purchase the wiper blade yet, I like to take a measurement, measure the blade, and that's a 15-inch blade. That's how you would determine that from end to end, 15-inch. Sometimes they have the books there to help you, sometimes this page is missing. So simply lift the wiper arm up, put it in that lock position. You can tilt the blade forward, there's a tab right here. You're going to squeeze that tab towards the arm itself and push inward. There you go. So it's got a hook on it, and that's how it is. If your Jeep is nice and locked in, that's great. If it's here and it's not locked in, manually place it on the glass. If you think it's locked in there and that snaps, it's going to become an expensive day. To reinstall my wiper blade, you put it in the open loop on the top. Make sure that the curved part, the flat part, and the lock tab is lock tab on the bottom, curved part on the top. Fit it right in that slot like that. Line that up and then push till you hear the click. And just rest it right back on the windshield.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.